Well, here's a little construction video update. I know I haven't done one in so long, but the building's up to here now. So my view will be lost soon, unfortunately. And I doubt I'll be able to see the park anymore. Well, we can still see it from our living room and the other bedroom, but my view here will be ruined. Well, at least I can still see downtown. But yeah. See these guys? They're getting ready to pour the floor right now, putting the rebar down. And that's the concrete pump right there. And there's the crane. Pretty cool. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Mike out.